2, 3. We're waiting outside the front of our resort, but basically there's going to be a driver picking us up within these 20 minutes to take us to the pier to go to Bang Na. I am so happy. The sun is coming out. Kind of matching.
Yep.
We're not trying to be late.
Lizard.
Show you this lizard. Yeah, we're taking the hotel shuttle. We have about 25 minutes until we dock and head over to the first island.
They have live.
Ah.
I can touch the one way.
This big one. There we go. All right, we are about to head over to the first island. We're walking to the island now. The water here is actually really clear. Okay. Thank you. All right, we just made it to Naka Island. It is so pretty. The sand is white. So this is a long tail boat. I'm thinking about taking one of these out during one of our other stops. I know we're canoeing in 3 different places though. I am so excited, y'all. The water is a little cool, similar to yesterday, but it feels great because the sun is out. Oh, there's a lily pad pond. Two, three. Woo! Oh my gosh. Swinging on the beach. This is Panwa Beach, by the way. We ordered drinks and kind of lost track of time, but we're running back. Cheers. Looks like they have lunch ready for us. My drink was actually really, I can feel it. Like, I'm not even kidding. I can feel my drink. And my mom added another flower to my hat. So we just end up just collecting more flowers because it's going to be a flower hat. We are group 18 and 19 for the canoe to go under the caves of one of these. So I'm super pumped. How has the trip been? And the sun's coming out. It was sprinkling a little bit on the way here. Okay, we just got on our canoe.
Somewhere. But no American.
Look at this.
Okay, welcome to Hong
Hong
Island.
Island.
Hong S-O-A-T.
Nice. This place is amazing. This is Hong Island. A heart? Oh yeah, I see.
Yeah, like a heart.
I see.
Yes.
You know, I see these in YouTube videos and now I'm here. So this is our first. Okay. So we're gonna go to James Bond Island after this. Gonna get to walk around the island. That's where they shot one of the movies. Look, there's a cave over there. We're on the longtail boat to get to James Bond Island. All four of us are at the very front. Ooh, okay, so I had no idea that this is what James Bond Island is. So it's this rock that's in the middle. It's in the middle of like the rest of these. And so that's where they shot this movie. For some reason, like in the pictures, I always thought it was this huge rock formation, like probably the size of those. This whole time it's this small. That's so cool. Okay, we walked up a few steps and this view is so great. What do you think about the island?
I love it. It's cool.
It's so cool. I didn't know it was this small.
This is so cool.
It's so cute. Imagine shooting a movie here. We're going through a bat cave right now, and I think we're gonna see monkeys. Oh, my knees are wet. Oh. I bet this used to be filled with water. This whole thing. I bet this whole thing used to be filled with water.
Oh my gosh, they're just clogging those holes.
We just finished our last stop of the tour. This is the boat that we are heading back up to. It was actually a really fun day. Like, I love these rock formations. Imagine this during sunset. That would be really gorgeous. Khapun ka. We just arrived at the pier. I am going to end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed our day trip to Chiang Mai. Hope you subscribe because we are traveling to Chiang Mai in the morning. See you guys then.